Everyone, good morning to you all. Happy weekend to everyone. Let's see the shopping of today together, my people. How you all doing? This is another shopping of today. So let me show you guys everything that is here. You can see this is some of it. The shopping of today. So let's see each one after the other. Who can guess how much my son spent today in the supermarket? Who can guess? So this is what we have today. This rice is very good for concoction rice. That is red oil, pepper, onions, crayfish to do that our Nigeria system rice. Rice. This rice is very good. But this rice, look at the orange. Here is mango, and we have some mango left over here. Look at this, some mango left over. And here is avocado. We have avocado left over here, three. Here is tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. We have 2 packets in the fridge. We got another one. So look at what they have here. Banana. You don't eat banana, so you don't even care for banana. You don't even care for banana. We just carry anyone. Only 5 pieces of banana because you don't eat banana. So look at mango is here. Another mango is there. And mango is here. And 2 left. And see everything. That Omo is for another supermarket. So you can see everything here. You can see everything here. Cost £192. £192 for all this food stuff. Just for this food stuff from supermarket. So let me take you guys one after the other. See this fileted salmon fish? You see it? This salmon fish can cost up to £6. You see it? Only this meat is £8 something. This meat, only this one. No, not this one. Sorry, this one no. This one can be £4. £4 for each. £4 for each. This one we have 2 here. This one is the most expensive one. Only this one is £8. This meat you are seeing here. Only one of this one is just £8, maybe £8 something. Why this one will be £4, £4. So this fillet can be £6. This what they call this one, breast chicken, can also be £5. And we have 2 here. And this another chicken thigh they call it. This one is also expensive. We have 2 here. Look, another one there. This one's another one. So as you can see, this is wiper, onions, mayonnaise 3. This one, everybody have what it is. This one, my daughter using this. What they call this one, I don't know. Look at it. My daughter is the one that uses this one. I like this one. So these are the, what they call this one, pineapple we bought last week. It did not finish it. The pineapple did not ripe. So now, so this is everything of today. Everything here cost us £192. This pineapple is of last week. It did not finish it because it's not ripe. Now it's ripe. It's going to eat this one first. And this one is another pineapple today. See the way it comes, very green. So like this is very strong. You can't eat it like this. So that's why you have to leave it until it's ripe like this before we can peel it. Now you can eat this one first and before this one will ripe. It takes like 4 days. So we have everything here. This is 3 egg. This is avocado, bread, everything. Look at cheese. We have all this one before. We bought another 2. We have, before we bought 2, we have this one in the fridge, croissant. He's not even eating croissant, but just buy 2. This is what they eat. Enough tuna. See the pieces we have here is 28 pieces. We already used 2 this morning. Sugar. See these tomatoes. We have tomatoes in the fridge. Almost 2 packets. And this baguette, cornflakes, macaroni, and Greek yogurt, and juice. Enough juice. 3 juice, 3 milk, and these chips, 2 wrap bread. So you can see now everything here. All this thing here is £192. £192, my people. You see it? Just for only supermarket. So imagine 4 weeks like that. 800 is already gone. Imagine 4 weeks. See everything. You can see it. 4 weeks times 100 and something, 100 and something. 800 will be gone. A month we spend almost 900 plus. Almost 900 plus or even 1,000. Imagine the supermarket shopping is £192, sometimes £160, sometimes £170. So that's how we buy things every week. Africa full stop is not here. I don't even buy ogbolo, egusi, crayfish. I don't even buy it here. We buy fish like all this chicken, all the hard chicken, turkey, and banga, every other things like maggi from supermarkets and rice, yam, all those things. It's not here. See now, so the shopping for the month can be almost £1,000. Can be £1,000, my people. Family of 6. Okay, so that is how we spend in the supermarket. As I said before, sometimes 160, sometimes 145, sometimes 180, sometimes 190, something like this every week, just for the supermarket. So my people, I'm going to stop this video here now and then arrange everything in the fridge.